Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can create a quadrant chart in Power BI. Let's get started. So this is also a custom visual that we will be using. And in order to get our custom visual, we will first go here and select these three dots and we will click on get more visuals. And here we will search for quadrant. So we will be using this. Let it load. And it is appearing now. So you can see that this is how your chart will appear once you have added it. You can also see the business uses here. You can show sales, relationship between production cost and profit. For marketing team, you can highlight the effect of advertising expenditures. And for finance, you can show the product sales, which product sells best, and breaking it down. So let's just go ahead and add it to our report. I will click on add, and now it will be imported. So here it is. I will just select this. And now you can see these are the fields that need to be populated: x-axis, y-axis, radial axis, and legend axis. Just like they were telling us that how we can use it for sales. So we have similar sort of sales data. First, I will show you the data. So the data is we have sales growth, we have market share, revenue in millions, and region. I've already connected it to our Power BI report. So we will just go ahead and add it to the fields. So in the x-axis, we will have market share. Sorry, we will have sales growth. And let me just change the name. In the y-axis, we will have market share. And I will change it here also. In radial axis, I will add the revenue. And our legend will be the region. Now you see how it is appearing. If I hover over it, you can see that it is showing South America X, which is the sales growth is 12, Y market share is 95, and revenue in millions is 135. Let's see how we can change this X and Y, and if we can change the quadrant names also. So I'll go on format your visuals. Here we have the first one, legends. The legends here. You can change, if you can remove the title, let's just keep it. And you can change the color or you can increase the size if you want. Let's just leave it as 9. In the quadrant, so here we can name the quadrant. So for example, we can have, you can change the name if you want. So quadrant 1, we can say high sales growth and market share. In quadrant 2, we can have high uh, wait, I have also, this is sales, high market share but low sales growth. So this is how you can change the name. And if you want to have it dotted or you want to keep it as it is, so dotted also looks nice. I will leave quadrant 3 and 4. In the x-axis, you can define the start date, start where it will start, and interval. You can change the title. So we will say sales growth percentage. So it's appearing now. If I come here, so it is also showing it here, sales growth percentage. Similarly, if I go here in y-axis, I will change the name here, market share percentage. And if you want to change the bubble colors, you can do that also. So this is the total that we can do as formatting. Let's also add the name of other two quadrants. So for this quadrant 4, we have high sales growth, low market share. Sorry, this is for quadrant 4. It will come here. This is low sales growth and low market share. This is the low sales growth and low market share. Quadrant 4 will be high sales growth but low market share. If you go to the generals, you can format any of the Power BI uh, visual. So in the properties, you can define the size, you can lock aspect ratio. In the title, this is the title if you want to change it, or we will just simply remove it. You can add any effect, background, for example, if you put it as this or any other color. You can add a visual border. I will just remove the background, it looks horrible. You can add a shadow, and these are the effect changes. If there's any data, you can add the data. For example, in the sales growth, you can format it how you want it as a percentage. So you can set it as percentage, and if you come here, it will show percentage. We will just remove this. We'll keep it general, header icons, and the text. So this is how you can create a quadrant chart in Power BI. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.